Well, it's been 13 years now since Nigerian activist and musician Fela Anikulapo Kuti died. But his memory lives on through a shrine built in Lagos by his son and a Broadway play in New York City.
So policeman, go slap your face, you know, go talk.
He needs no introduction in Nigeria, where his fan base remains large.
I don't want to even hear from anybody that Fela is dead. No, Fela is alive. I love him, I love his music, I love his concepts.
Many in the United States know of Fela through a Broadway musical by the same name, nominated for 11 Tony Awards. His son, Olufemi Kuti, is amused by the renewed interest in his father's music, especially from Nigeria's government, which Fela decried.
Fela, that the government of Nigeria doesn't want to even hear the name, is where we look up to. America, on Broadway, at the Tony Awards, so everybody's freaking. So it takes America on Broadway, the play, to let us appreciate a Fela Anikulapo Kuti.
A controversial figure in Nigeria, Fela used his Afrobeat music to criticize the military rulers of the 70s. Fela pointed to the misrule, corruption, impoverishment of Nigerians despite the country's rich oil reserves. Femi Kuti recalls how his father was arrested and beaten many times for singing about injustice.
You can't imagine the beatings Fela went through, the incarcerations, broken bones. I saw it as a kid. I was 12, 13, and I saw it. Beatings, blood dripping from his head, hospitals.
Also a renowned musician himself, Femi Kuti recently celebrated his father's life, music and legacy at the Africa Shrine he established in the suburb of Ikeji in Lagos. Thousands turned out for the annual week-long Felabrations, as they're called, coming from all over the world. Fela's daughter, Yenny, who manages the shrine, says she still misses her father.
When something happens and I want to tell him about it, and I remember, he's not here, and, yeah. So I still feel sad.
Like his father, Femi Kuti does not shy from social and political issues in his music, but he says he is not following in his father's footsteps.
I don't even want to be my father. I don't want to live his life. I will admire many of his things. I will admire his courage. And I hope I'm blessed with this kind of courage. But I don't want to be my father. I've never wanted to be my father. I've always wanted to be Femi Anikulapo Kuti.
Fela's music has remained especially popular among Nigeria's poor, who still lament bad governance and corruption. With landmark elections scheduled for next year, political discontent is sparking the revival of Fela's music and culture. Thousands of unemployed youth flock to Africa Shrine every weekend to listen and watch Femi and his brother Seun perform while remembering their father, Fela.
Our government wanna change, change. You know what? Fela said, vote right and vote wisely. I love Fela. Fela what?
Vibration.